If you have any leftover bias tape or ribbon, you can easily use them to create a cute braided headband. I'll walk you through how to make a 4-stranded braid that's nice and neat along the edges. What's even better is that this is actually a very simple tutorial that you can make in 10 minutes. So start by sewing your bias tape closed. Sew down the length of each strand of bias tape to encase the raw edges. Now you're going to sew the strands together at one end. All right, now for making a 4-strand braid. The basic idea here is you want to fold 1 and 3 over 1, and then 4 will come back 1. So to start with, you're turning the black over the yellow, the red over the gray, and then the gray is coming back over the black. And then you're going to continue that same pattern. While you're doing this, you want to try and make a clean fold when moving the strands so that you can avoid crinkling up the fabric. This will help it have that really nice and neat look when you're finished. So let me try and do this pattern again so you can see it. So you want to go the leftmost strand over 1, and the third strand is going over 1, and then you're bringing the new third strand back to the left over 1, and then you repeat again. And you want to make sure when you are at the end of each cycle that all of the strands are coming straight down. When you get to the end of the braid, you can trim the bias tape to make them more or less even, and you want to fold each strand over to the back to create a point. Pin everything in place and then sew it. And that's it. You finished. You've made a simple 4-strand braided headband.